Hi everybody, we are in Germany, in Hamburg, and we are making a clinic here in the city center. We are going to see inside. There is a part that is a existing clinic and a new part, and we are installing 6 chairs. But let's have a look. So here there will be the existing clinic where we are going to place and change the chairs. So there will be about 3 units that we're going to install, and then there is the new part that is still work in progress. Here we already installed a few units. There will be 3 rooms with the SS keys model, that is this one, and then we will add 2 other in the future, in the near future. So what we wanted to show in this little video is some customization that we did for this customer. The most important one is a bigger tray that we extend. So we have one bigger tray already in our configuration, but this one was much more extended than the other. Then we put a control panel with 2 micromotor from Dassin, and they are controlled by the electric pedal from Faro. Another customization is regarding the leather. I remember that there are about 200 colors that you can choose, and we just installed few connectors inside here just to make the external connection of some other devices that are installed here. So this is a kind of full configuration. We have also the monitor, the camera, and we installed the economic LED light because the doctor is going to use mainly the light that he's applying on the head. So these 3 units are already working, but we are waiting to that other worker finish the clinic here, and then the job is done.